Yeah, so Wilby, we want you to burp. That's pretty good.
Take a picture.
Yeah. Okay, smile. Hey, Wilbs. Are you gonna burp? And Wilbs, you know what else?
Wow.
It's snowing outside.
Oh, it's no.
It is.
No, I know.
How about is it raining?
No, that's
Are you sure?
yeah.
April Fools.
April Fool.
So what do you always tell me, Wilbs?
Horny shirt.
Well, there's a hole in my shirt.
Yeah.
Where? Oh, Wilbs, what? What's going on? There's no hole in my shirt. Okay, okay. What are we gonna play today?
Sorry.
Who's gonna win?
Oh, man.
You gonna win?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Jill. Yes.
Wilbur.
Okay, Wilbs. Are you gonna? Do you want to say anything else before we turn the camera off?
That's all.
That's it. You gonna burp one more time? Good job, Wilbs.
Take what you make.
Bring it again.
Take what you make.
Okay, Mace. Do you want to burp? Okay, Wilbur did a burp. Now listen to this burp. Come on, Mason. You can do it. You're on the camera. Oh. Okay, Wilbs. Now you do it. Now you get ready to do one. Wilbs,
That's all.
that's it. Okay, now Mason, he's bringing it. Come on, boy. This is on the Wilbur tape. You got to do this.
That makes a difference.
Come on.
Use cat.
Yes.
Take it to the kitchen.
He's turning colors. Come on, bring it. I don't do that. Oh, there goes mine. It isn't? Okay, Wilbs, we'll see you later. Are you gonna eat those?
Later.
Okay. Later. See you, Wilbs.